Welcome to Nice Real-Time Designer how-to videos. In this video, we will demonstrate how to write to Excel using library functions. Writing to Excel is used in most automations. The library functions we will demonstrate here enable users to quickly save data to Excel files, connecting to single cells or to big chunks of data. First, we'll demonstrate how to write to a single cell. Create a new business entities type. In the Business Entities tab, click New Type and give it a meaningful name. Now create the function that will set the Excel cell value. Click New Function and give it a meaningful name as well. Click Insert Function and then Function Invocation. Select Function and then in the Library Objects folder, click MS Office Functions. Choose Set Excel Cell Value. To specify which file to write to, click Select File Name and enter the name of your Excel file, complete URL included. Identify the sheet to write to in your file. Click Select Sheet Name and enter which sheet in your Excel you'd like to write to. Next, identify the cell to write to. First, by specifying its column. Click Select Type in the column's name, and then specify the row by clicking Select Row. Now type in the value you're inserting into the cell. Click Select Value and type in the string you'd like to write into your Excel file. To write to another single cell, simply copy the row you've just created. Change the cell to write into and adjust the value accordingly. The Excel file will open and close in the background to write into each cell. So if you're writing into more than one cell, the next process should work better for you. When writing to range of cells, the process is similar. Create a new business entities type. In the Business Entities tab, click New Type and give it a meaningful name. Here we will use the type created for the previous process. Now create the function that will set the Excel cell's value. Click New Function and give it a meaningful name as well. Click Insert Instruction and then Function Invocation. Select Function, and then in the Library Objects folder, click MS Office Functions. Choose Set Excel Cell Values. Specify the file name and the sheet. Next, click Select Values to specify the cell range and the data to be inserted into it. Type in the cell name, then 2 pipes and the value to be inserted into the cell. Type 3 pipes to move to a different cell. You can repeat the process with as many cells as you'd like. Here's a quick summary of what we've reviewed in this lesson. Now that you know how to write to Excel, creating automations for your processes should be much simpler and much more comprehensive. You may also want to watch our short how-to video on reading from Excel. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more short how-to videos about the Nice Real-Time Designer's functions.